Yeah, well, actually, when I first heard of this project, I looked on the website, and when I saw the pictures, I was not only surprised, but what I liked of it that people took their own initiative to translate a certain technique, a certain use with straw bale, to use their own form and their own building. So it's not every day with beer crates we build, and in particular beer crates. It's for me also a material of recuperation. And finally, straw bale is also recuperation, because the farmer, he goes for the cereal. He sells cereal, and the straw for a long time they throw it away, they burned it. Well, they use a part now, but finally, what we do now for construction is, I think it's the most ecological what we can do if we work with recuperated material. So the straw bale is that. And the beer crate is it. And what we are using here is also earth, clay. It's also recuperation. So I think this is the most recuperated building what we can make. And what I like the most is that the roof is already there. So it is all the elements together is a building what somebody have thought about, and that's what I like of it. It's not somebody who is in straw bale building, but it's somebody with an approach, what we're thinking, what we can do with the materials who are there. And so that he was inspired with this approach, what I explain in my book. Then I see I'm just very glad that the book inspired it to get this result in the building. It's really, so finally, but also by coincidence, that I come in touch with this project by another person, that I can help to finish the building.
Ja som to bral ako žart, tak som to začal iba tak žartovať. A už je to tu reálne, je troška žaražajúce a výborné, no. Z2 je dobrá možnosť. Možnosť. Uvidíme jej potenciál.
Koho to bol nápad?
Koho asi? Hlavného z vesmíru.
Žiadne voľné víkendy, veľa peničiek.
V podstate to vzniklo z potreby väčšieho priestoru, tak sme sa rozhodli, že potrebujeme podstatne väčší priestor, aby sme mohli uviesť to, čo chceme naozaj. Raz v sobotu na mňa otco volal, že Hanka, rozprávali o tvojej robote, a v rádiu v Českom rozhlase rozprávali o S2, čiže táto budova, alebo tento priestor je známy minimálne v Československu.
Preto sme to začali číslovať, pretože sa ponúka pokračovanie. Keby sme napríklad stanicu volali stanica, nie S1, S2, kopula. Tak. tak potom by sme museli stále vymýšľať nové názvy, tak to budeme jednoducho číslo 1.
Ale Kopola nie je vôbec názov.
Naše upratovačky to volajú Kopula. Nie Kupola, ale Kopula.
Yeah, so there's also another thing what I like to say and what I got inspired by this approach is that what we see much more and more in our society, but also in building in particular, that we need more and more specialists. Everybody is specialist in a very small area of an activity. So actually what we can do, we even cannot build anymore. We need somebody who does coordination, everything. And it was actually what we did before, that humans are used to build their own house and their own buildings, what they need. But with all the specialism, we cannot anymore. On top of that, we make a lot of laws and rules because we need this and that. And finally, what you see here is just common sense with a kind of reflection, creativity, and finally, and that is also what I like here, it's implanted on a place in a quarter of the city where people are already used to meet each other and to work together. And this is finally for me an example, a very good example, what we can do in society. It's a place where we meet and we do together activities like building. It's simple like that. And sure, there are moments that we need a specialist to show how things works, but finally the work is done by people who are just passing by here. It shows for me that we can build, if we are taking more and more confidence in this approach, that we use the materials who are just available around here, that we do that together in a way that we as a team, and even people who help just 1 or 2 days. You happen to be a specialist, that you see this result, what is working, and what has also finally, because it's a theater, it's helping the society to create this more and more, because people meet in theater and then we say, hey, we did this together, you know. The best, though, for me, how we build it is almost like one of the pages of the theater itself.
A na začiatku som ani si nevedel predstaviť, že to zrealizujeme a ako to bude vyzerať. Ani som nevedel som sa skrátka predstaviť. Ale potom, keď už sme začali, tak to bol strašne dobrý pocit, že niečo sami vlastnými rukami tvoríme a ľuďom sa to páčil, ten nápad.
Ja som najčastejšie asi varila pre tým dobrovoľníkov, ktorí tu stávali. Čo bol tiež celkom zaujímavý zážitok, pretože navádiť risotto pre 15 ľudí nie je úplne sranda.
No, S2 sa v tejto chvíli stala vlastne ako plniť svoju funkciu ako objekt, atrakcia, čiže si žije tým svojím vlastným životom. A čo je ako výborné na nej, zaujíma ľudí, atrakuje celé to prostredie, alebo ako sa to povie. A takže tú svoju možnosť života ako plní.
No všetko, čo tu iba nájsť veľké, iba kúrenie, už iba. To by sme mohli ešte tak robiť niekedy.
Nedávno ma napadlo, že bolo úplne super, keď tam tá S2 ešte aj nebola, Som to videla na fotke a proste ma to tak zaujalo a som si hovorila, že to tak skoro neuvidíme.
Aby sme to ukončili tak pateticky, pasuje na to dobre naše heslo, že urobili sme to dobre, lebo sme to urobili dobre.
Urobili sme to urobili dobre.
A teda...
We did it, also for English.
We did it because we did it good.